Embark on a remarkable journey through time as we explore the historical evolution of ploughs. From humble beginnings to the technological wonders of today, this video is a testament to the enduring significance of the plough in shaping human history. The dawn of agriculture. Our journey begins in ancient times, where humanity's shift from nomadic hunting to settled farming led to the creation of the first ploughs. Witness the ingenuity of early farmers as they used handheld wooden ploughs to break ground and sow the seed of civilization. The oxen and horse-drawn ploughs. As societies progressed, so did plough technology. Discover the transition from manual labor to animal power, where oxen and horses harnessed to wooden ploughs allowed for more extensive cultivation and greater food production. What about the Industrial Revolution and iron ploughs? The Industrial Revolution brought a wave of innovation, and ploughs were no exception. Witness the emergence of iron ploughs, a game changer that significantly increased efficiency and productivity, paving the way for modern farming. Tractors and the mechanization era. The 20th century ushered in the era of mechanization. Tractors, initially steam-powered and later fueled by internal combustion engines, revolutionized farming. Ploughs became more adaptable, powerful, and capable of covering vast fields. Modern ploughing technology. Today, we find ourselves in the age of cutting-edge technology. Witness the remarkable advancement in ploughing, from GPS-guided precision ploughing to variable depth ploughing. These innovations reflect our commitment to sustainable and efficient farming. What is the future of ploughing, if I may ask? As we conclude our journey through history, we look to the future. With autonomous ploughing, advanced data analytics, and sustainable practices, the plough continues to evolve and adapt to the challenges and opportunities of the modern world. The historical evolution of ploughs is a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. From the earliest furrows to the technology-driven precision of today, the plough remains a symbol of progress and the foundation of agriculture. Thank you for accompanying us on this captivating journey through the annals of ploughing history. To stay informed about the past, present, and future of farming, please subscribe to our channel. Together, let's celebrate the timeless legacy of the plough.